Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit oval eyelets with our green machine. So you're going to need a few things. I have here an oval cutting die set to the size that I need for my oval eyelets. You can cut the hole out by hand if you prefer, but I'm going to use a die for this instance. I also have a oval eyelet fixing die set, and I have the oval eyelets as well. So let's start off with taking some material. So I've got some faux leather. We're going to take our oval cutting die and we're going to screw that in, and we're going to make a hole in our material just by pushing down. And there we have our hole that we need. I'm going to unscrew this. We're going to take our oval eyelet and we're going to take a washer for our oval eyelet as well. And the washer is going to look like this. I'll grab my fixing tool, pop that into the base, and then the top die screws into the top. Okay. So the main part of our eyelet with the shaft, that goes first on the bottom. The material goes upside down and sits on top of that. Then the washer will sit on top of our material. You should see a little bit of that shaft poking through here. Now make sure the top die is lined up. We can twist the base to make sure that that is all the way lined up the way we want it to be. Once you're confident, just compress that down into place. That should have rolled everything over. You should have that oval eyelet all fixed into place, ready for you to use.